Assalamualaikum students in 7th ladder, page number 41 and lecture number 11th. Today we start our lesson number 6, the charge of the light brigade. Brigade means students military unit consisting of many troops, and charge means command. It means the command of the light brigade. Light brigade, this is the name of the military unit of Britannia. Like in Pakistan there are many units, like we hear about the Kashmir Regiment, Punjab Regiment, Balochistan Regiment, Kashmir Regiment and Sindh Regiment. According to their different tasks and different duties, they have different ranks. Same as in the poem, we'll read about the Light Brigade of Britannia. And before starting the poem, we should discuss about the history of the Light Brigade. Students, there were 600 soldiers in the Light Brigade, and this poem is based on the Battle of the Balaclava. It means the Battle of the Balaclava was discussed by the poet Alfred Lord Tennyson. It was fought in 1854. It means in 18th century, based on the Crimean War. It means when the Crimean War was started in these countries, the Battle of the Balaclava was also started, and the two countries were fighting against each other. First one was Russia and the second one was Britannia. And the important thing is that Lord Cardigan was leading the Light Brigade. The military troop Light Brigade was being led by the Lord Cardigan against the Russian forces, because at the time there were not the proper means of communication. So the Britannia Light Brigade, due to the miscommunication in the chain of command, was sent on the frontal assault. It means they were sent on the frontal assault to fight against the Russian forces, and they had to fight against the Russian forces in front of all the troops. Might be, for example, if you have seen any scene of the war in any film, like some troops fight in the right side, or some fight in the right side, or some at the back side, or some in the front side. And same as the Light Brigade were fighting in the front side of all the troops, and in spite of all these things, they fought with great courage or the valor, and they didn't lose heart, and they just two options, do or die in the battlefield, and they adopted the second option. It means do. In every case they fought with the bravery and courage. That's why they were praised by the poet in very precious words. Now students, let's discuss about the main theme of the poem, the Charge of the Light Brigade. As each one of you knows that this poem is based on the Crimean War that was fought against the Russian forces, as I have told you in the history. There were 600 soldiers in the Light Brigade. 600 soldiers, how many? 600 soldiers. And when they were sent to the frontal assault, it means to fight in front of all the troops, they were very surprised, because they were not expecting that they had to fight in front of all the troops. So that's why they were surprised, and they didn't argue. In spite of all these things, they didn't argue, they didn't ask any question. They rode into the valley of death. Where? Into the valley of death they had to ride. They had just two options, do or die, and they adopted the first option, do, in every case. There were cannons, shot and shell in the battlefield. There were naked swords, means नंगी तलवारें थी वहाँ पे. They were into the jaws of death. This is the situation of the battlefield. This is the site of the battlefield, that in all the condition they had to fight over there. and everywhere the act of the killing was going on. Everyone was just killing to the rival. The Light Brigade had not any other choice rather than fighting against the Russian forces, so they fought with great bravery or with great valor, and their glory would remain alive due to their courage. They are honored, they are praised, and they are still noble for all of us because they showed great courage or valor, and they didn't lose heart in the very crucial situation. Because of all these things, they are very noble for us, and Alfred Lord Tennyson has praised them in very good words. He has praised them in very glory words, and they really deserve to be appreciated. As we have discussed the main theme, now we should study the difficult word meanings of the poem. Our first word is charge. It means impute or command. Brigade, military unit that consisting on many troops, artillery, mounted, battery firearms, assault, attack, valor, courage, regardless, inattentive. Balaclava, covered faced army, cavalry, troops that serve on horseback, pursuing, follow, retreating, refuge, charge, command. Obvious, clear, onward, situated, valley, low area of land located between hills and mountains, cannons, large gun. Dismay, in horror, though, blunder, stupid mistake, argue, reason, storm, tempest, shot and shell, fire, a weapon bombard, death, dam, flash, breakout. Gunners, shooters, battery smoke, act of killing, true, one edge to another edge, march, battle, glory, fate, fame, wither, wield, roll up. Students, except these word meanings, we have to learn the book read meanings as well. Now we'll discuss about the reading, that how to read the reading with the half a league, half a league, half a league onward. All in value of death rode the 600. Forward, the Light Brigade. Charge for the guns, he said. Into the valley of death rode the 600. Students, according to this concept, you have to learn the reading and learn the book read meanings as well, and meanings that I have given you on notes. I hope that your concept about the theme and the history of the Light Brigade is clear and you can get it easily. Now your task is to write a paragraph about the valor or the courage, about the charge of the Light Brigade, and in the next video we'll start our comprehension inshallah, and then our grammar portion as well. Till then, Allah Hafiz.